For the Kaiser Willys parts pages, this is Transfer Case Assembly. This service is for the D18 transfer case. Now, what we're going to do is have you send in your original Dana 18 transfer case so we can use your core housing. And what we're going to do is we're going to rebuild it right here in the USA and give you back a brand new transfer case with new gears, shafts, bearings, gaskets, and seals, and it'll be ready to drop back into your restoration. Now, it does take us 2 to 3 weeks in order to get this accomplished, so please be patient with us. Now, we do offer this for Dana 18 with the 3¼ inch shaft that fits 1941 through 45 MBN GPW, for the 1 1/8 inch shaft for the 46 through 53 CJ2A, 3A, M38, Willys truck and station wagon, as well as the 1 1/4 inch shaft for the 53 through 64 Willys CJ3B, CJ5, M38A1, Willys truck and station wagon. If you need any help putting your transfer case back into your restoration, we do have installation instructions at www.kaiserwillys.com. And while you're there, go ahead and request a free copy of the latest Kaiser Willys Jeep and Willys parts catalog.